said, everybody needs a coach. What will life be without a coach? Will Sachin Tendulkar be where he is? Or will we have so many gold medals in Olympics? Not possible. And I'm very happy to welcome a star executive coach, leadership coach, NLP coach, and a super corporate trainer, Vijayshri Atri ma'am.
Thank you so much, Sunny sir. Thank you so much for welcoming me like this with a bang. Thank you so much.
I'm blessed to sit in front of you and I'm eager to learn from you. What is your
Feeling is mutual. Feeling is always mutual.
That is your humility and magic. Thank you. So yes, please enlighten us. Why should we have a coach? Bill Gates Baba told, and he gave a quote and we use it. But you tell us, why coaching?
Coaching, very, very profound question actually. I believe that we all need a coach. We all need a guru, a coach, a person who can guide us for life. Because life is a journey, I believe. Life is a journey of experiences and success. Success भी मिलती है, failures भी मिलते हैं जिनको हम experience कहते हैं. If we have a coach helps us to take up a right direction in any challenge of life. That coach can be anybody. Maybe some elder person in your family, maybe a best friend, maybe your partner, maybe your just a friend, maybe your teacher. And trust me, a coach can be a little kid also. So yes, coach is very important, but more important is realization that we need a coach. We need a coach. That is more important. Because when we realize that we need a coach, that means we are growing in life. We are moving forward in life. I know everything are 3 killer words, I believe. So when you think that you need a coach, you are moving forward in life. So I believe coach is very important and we really need a coach for our personal grooming, our professional grooming, our life grooming. We need a guidance. See, coach is a label. Basically, I believe everybody needs a guidance, and that guidance can be, given by a coach. So yes, coach is important, very important in life.
Super. I see there was a transition from pharmacy to coaching and training. So what was the bulb-on moment and how did it all begin? How was your journey? Please tell us something about it.
See, my journey has been very exciting and I always tell my journey to people. There are many things in my journey. First thing is I'm a pharmacologist. I have a pharmacy background. I did my M Pharmacy and speaking was my passion. Pharmacy was never my interest. I did it for my family, I always tell. But speaking is and was my passion since my childhood. And I am a people's person. I wanted to do something which excites me every day, which makes me complete every day. And I personally wanted to add value to the people's life. So during my graduation only, I was looking for a profession in which I can speak and add value to the people's life. I wanted to become RJ. I thought that speaking, I can speak on radio. I can speak on, that was my initial thought. And slowly, gradually, when I grew, I saw people and we got a training program in our college. And then I realized that this could be a, profession. I can choose, I found a person who came, for a training, and I started my career with him only. He's my initial mentor, I can say. And I just, me and my friend, we just, hold him. Sir, हमको सिखा दो. कैसे training करनी है, हमको सिखा दो, please. And then after just doing my masters and everything, I requested my family that I don't want to do a corporate, 9 to 5 job. Give me 1 year. Give me just 1 year, because I belong from a family of people who are, educationists. Everybody is into, education line, and they believe in job. Nobody is doing, entrepreneurship in my family. I am the only one. So that was the time I requested my family. I took up it as a challenge that I have to do it. I have to do it. And that's how I started, sir. And when I started, thanks to my sir, my initial days mentor, and he guided me very well. And there was never looking back. Then there was never looking back, because I pursued my passion. And I always say to the people, do something in life which excites you and take the responsibility of it. What I am seeing right these days, youth are doing, they do things that I want to become, something painter, singer, and sometimes if they fail also, then they don't take the responsibility of it. They go into, a sad state of mind. Take the responsibility of it and believe in yourself. It is your choice. Believe in yourself. This is your choice.
Yes.
So yes, this is how
Amazing.
And
So
it's
good
been now
you-
years. It is
Yeah.
now a decade, more than a decade I'm doing it.
Super. Thanks to your parents. A great support system
I am.
and belief
My-
in the daughter. And thanks to your mentor. So now,
Absolutely.
yeah, moving forward, yeah, there are states of mind, failures, all kinds, business and love failures. Jab dil hi toot gaya. How do you manage your states, ma'am?
Very good question, sir. I would like to share one experience when I started my corporate trainings. I had a barrier in my mind, my age. I was quite young at that time, and
नहीं,
in
आप आज भी young
corporate.
हो, ma'am, or young forever. Because when we do divine work, when we are touching human lives, Almighty
Yes.
Universe keeps us young forever. And I am
Absolutely.
not Sir, I am Sunny. Yes, I look
Sunny, yes.
physically, so I'm happy
Oh,
you are
you
respecting me with
you look
sir.
amazing. You look amazing, dynamic, and charming always. I always see your videos, and you are amazing. Actually, amazing. You are simple,
wanted
straight,
it.
and on the point.
Thanks.
Yeah. So when I started my corporate trainings, the first barrier was again when you talk about the failures. My first training program, it was with the bank, and my participants all were 45 plus, and I was just 25 plus.
Yeah.
And when I went, and when I just went on the stage, and it was completely with the males. No female was there. I was the only female there. And the first reaction I got, ये सिखाएगी हमको, ये बताएगी हमको. And trust me, I was seeing the audience, and those 10 seconds, there were tears in my eyes. How will I manage, And I just took the name of God. I took a deep breath, and bachalo, bachalo. Right. And because I went into corporates directly from my college trainings, handling college students are like very easy, handling college. Chote, right. And traveling the journey from school, college, then to corporates, it was actually, a step up. So when I started my training, first 10 minutes, it was hard. I was thinking to quit. थोड़ा बहाना मार देती हूँ, मुझे चक्कर आ रहे हैं and all. ठीक है. Then I remembered words of my father and my mentor, two people, that try in life. The maximum thing you will be failed. That's it. And that will be the experience. Don't quit. Never quit in life. And that was the thing. I just tried. In 10 minutes, 11th minute, the audience were mine and I was on the stage rocking. That was the first thing. So yes, the first thing, whenever I am sad, I always say never quit. It is just an experience.
Beautiful.
Now I can say that I have a control on state of my mind very well. And one thing I say, never quit. Number two, life is experience. That's it. It is
Yes.
experience. Live it, move on. Live it, move on. You will face new experiences every day. Your personal life, your professional life, every day. The point is just learn and move on. That's it. Don't stop, because it is
Very
life
beautiful.
and it is very precious.
Very beautiful. I was remembering Dr. Kiran Bezi. She was the first woman IPS officer and all males. So
Yes,
she led
yes.
1975 Republic Day parade. So, and she has done a lot. So I was remembering those
It's
moments when you were
inspiration.
saying. Yes.
Yes, truly, sir. At the age of 27, 28, and you are training only males, 35 males in the hall, and all are 45 plus, that to government employees. And they have, when I entered, they were like, ये कैसे सिखा सकते हैं आपको?
आपके expression ही जादू है जी. So now coming to your so many certifications from ICF to ACC, Europe to UK, US, whatever, you please tell us 5 things which you feel, what a treasure, Sunny. Not just a certification, but 5 pearls of wisdom which you feel priceless.
Priceless. Okay, I tell you. See, I believe training is not about the certifications. It is about what you tell to people. First, you have to apply on yourself. So the first thing when I started trainings, first thing I'll say, the pearl I was blessed with, I was able to apply things on myself. I was able to apply everything on myself. And today also, we are never perfect. I'm saying I'm just doing it 10%. Still, there is things I have to apply on, myself, because we are growing every day.
Yes.
Second thing I say, my certifications are, again, it is a mindset, but my family supported me a lot in this.
Yes.
And when I said I want to do this, because after spending too much in my education, being from a Indian family, that too from state Haryana, there are too much to talk about.
It looks like
So,
Dangal,
yes.
Heroic story. Queen of queens.
So yes, my second pearl is support of my family. They have also they have always initiated, supported me for my growth, my parents, my brother, and and third thing is, the pearls of my life is my best friends. They are support, my partner, they are my support, and they are actually motivating me every day, and they appreciate me. And fourth thing, when you talk about the pearls, I believe that I am blessed with the quality. God has blessed me with the quality that I am a people's person. That is my strength. I built a connection, and a connection with the commitment. That is my quality, and I know this, and I appreciate myself, and thanks to God every day, that I believe I am a people's person. And the fifth pearl of my life is blessing of my mentors. They have always pushed me, my mentors, that do whatever you want to do. You can do it. You can do it. And trust me, in these years, when I see today and when I look back, I have improved as a person a lot.
Yes. Beautiful.
A lot.
I love all the 5 pearls, without which we are nothing. So let's treasure it and let's
Yes,
keep
yes.
dancing and sharing with everyone. So
Absolutely,
coming to
absolutely.
coaching skills, what makes a great coach?
Listening.
Listening.
Listening is very important. Yes. When you talk about coaching skills, see, coaching is never about speaking. Coaching is always about listening. First, you listen and then you talk. So listening is very important, and that too constructive listening, uninterrupted, no interruption. Let your coach, he or she should speak completely. Take it 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, then you start speaking.
But I'm
So
really,
listening
I have a lot
is
of questions and I have time constraint. So I'm going to interrupt you again and again.
It's okay. I can understand.
Yeah, please tell us 3 happiest moments of yours.
My 3 happiest moments is, one is when I did my first training project, corporate training project. And second is when I did my first NLP event.
Wow.
That was actually an achievement for me.
Yes.
Because NLP is a science where you directly connect with the people's mind. And when I got the testimonials, feedback, and third is the initial one. Trust me, when my family said, okay, do whatever you want to do, we give you 1 year. That's it. Go. And trust me, they never interrupted me in that 1 year. They do whatever you want to do. You have all the funds. Right.
There must be some moments of feeling, grateful and pride mixed together. What was that one moment when you felt, yes, human jeevan safal hua? Wow, little happier than that. As a coach.
See, as a coach, yes, I'll tell you. As a coach, when I was 31 and 60, yes, and in one event, one of my trainings, 62 years male, it is about like 7 years back. No, sorry, not 7 years back. That was a different experience. It was like 3 years back. Okay.
We are 34.
I am 33. I just, completed 33. I am 87 born. So I have no, shame in telling my age.
34 होता है.
हाँ,
अभी 21 चल रहा है.
एक साल कम कर सकते हैं. So, yeah.
62-year-old male.
62 years male. He actually came to me and he said कि आप अपनी उम्र से ज्यादा बड़ी बातें कर रहे हो और आपसे आज मैंने सीखा है और आई विश आप जैसे लोगों से मैं रोज मिलता रहूं और मेरा बुढ़ापा सफल हो जाए. And I was like, sir, you are, like my father, you're of that age, please, but that was, and I shared it with my father. And I was like, Papa, he was saying this, he is 62 years old. That was actually a proud feeling in those many years that, yes.
I should sit in your training like a student.
Sir, I'm still learning.
I am still learning you because I'm forced to interrupt and move on to the next question.
No, sir, not at all.
I should be a student and sit in your trainings.
So I follow you on LinkedIn.
But
I follow you on LinkedIn.
No, what did he get? You tell me. What were you training on and what was that moment?
Yes.
कौन सा जोक सुना रहे थे आप?
नहीं, मैं जोक नहीं सुना रही. Sir, I was actually training team of 40 employees in a Japanese organization, Japanese MNC. I was training on ownership and leadership skills. So that was the topic that day, and I am still in touch with that man, and he is actually amazing, and he is AGM of that company. And
टॉपिक तो बता दिया, अंदर का कुछ बताओ, वो क्या था वो ऐसा जो उनको ऐसा फील हुआ?
यस सर, मैंने उस टाइम पे, मुझे बहुत अच्छे से याद है, उस टाइम पे मैंने एक एक्टिविटी करवाई थी दैट वाज रिलेटेड टू रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, दैट व्हाटएवर यू डू, don't blame, take the responsibility. And I connected everybody with their personal life, because I start my all the trainings with the personal life, then I just reached to the professional life. So I just shared few examples, and I say that today you are 50, 55, 60, do you take the responsibility of life, or are you still blaming people? इसकी वजह से, उसकी वजह से, उसकी वजह से. So when we talk about, yes, absolutely. So I was training them for the ownership skills, and I did a small activity with some balloon. And after that he came to me, he said, मेरे को मेरा पास्ट याद आ गया कि मैंने कहाँ क्या क्या गलतियां करी हैं.
And देखना, ये इंटरव्यू भी देखना, अपने मम्मी पापा, पार्टनर, मेंटर को दिखाना और वो खुश हो जाएंगे.
Absolutely,
विजयश्री अत्री जी.
Thank you so much. I'm still growing, sir.
Your favorite movie?
My favorite movie, I don't watch much movies, but I am not a more of movie person. But I like movies which tells about women empowerment. And yes, absolutely. And one movie I always tell to people to watch is The Secret, and that is my favorite book also, The Secret. So yes. Ghana. I'm fond of Sufi music, Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan ji, and I'm not a singing person. Not at all.
हम ट्रेनर लोग हैं, कोच लोग हैं, हम ही बोले नो 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 नो.
मैं दोनों नहीं,
हम बच्चों को बोलते हैं,
इंटरव्यू खराब हो जाएगा.
हम बच्चों को बोलते हैं प्रेयर ही गा दे बेटा, इतने शक्ति.
प्रेयर ही गा दे. No. I'll sing one of the very nice song of Mr. Khan. It is Nit Khair.
विजयश्री अत्री जी, अटक गए आप. अब तो आप गा ही दो.
Okay, I was singing. नित खैर मंगा सोनिया मैं तेरी दुआ ना कोई और मांग दी. बस इतना ही गाऊंगी, मैं ज्यादा नहीं गाऊंगी, इंटरनेट फिर से चला जाएगा वरना.
So we wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Let us keep earning infinite blessings from people of all ages, and you are doing such great work. All your sharing.
I'm blessed with people like you. I'm blessed with people like you, and keep blessing. Blessings are important, very important in life, I believe. And blessing strengthen us. Blessing actually strengthen us.
Yes.
And so keep blessing. You are a very positive and vibrant person, and I trust me. I see you every day, and it makes a day actually.
Thank you so much, Vijayshri. Thank you. I want you
Thank
to
you so much.
keep smiling, inspiring, and touch millions of lives.
Thank you so much, Sanishi. Thank you so much.